there! In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power of Python using this Python program I created that will let the user call out commands to the computer, and the computer will use voice recognition and then automate the commands. My program has many attributes. For this video, I will be showing you the attribute that lets the user download videos. Watch as I run my program and call out commands to the computer.
Commands on.
Download files.
Commands on.
A11.
Commands on.
NetEdu.
Please click on video.
Here, I can click on any video I want to download or watch or something. So, I'll click on the recent video I made.
Please enter button and hit enter.
You can see I have my options. I can choose to download it.
The power of
I can
Python.
choose to
Using this Python program
video,
I created,
or I can choose
that will
to
let
save
the
the
user
link
call out commands,
to a note
and
or
the
something,
computer will automate
so we can
them.
download a whole list of links at once.
In my last video,
Right now, I will
showed
choose
you
to
the
just
email
download.
attribute of this program.
Downloading video 1. Please click on video.
Right now, they say I am downloading that video, and when it is done downloading, they will also notify us. Right now, I will pick this video and do something else with it.
Please enter button and hit enter.
I'll just choose play video.
In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power
Here, we
of
can
Python
just look at this video,
using this Python
and
program
when we are done,
I created that
we
will
can
let
press
the
enter.
user.
Please click on video.
Now, I can click another video and download it, or I can just exit this program. Download files.
Commands on. Buttons on.
As you can see, if we wait for a while, we can get access to the option where we enter in a number. Right this time, let me go to Google. Now I will search for what I want. I will search for Apple. Here we can take a look at these or take a look at the images. Now I'll close this.
Done. Commands on. Buttons on.
Now I get the button option. I want to choose to download files again. If you want to see the other attributes when I use the email or display message, go have a look at my other videos.
Commands on. Buttons on.
This time I will choose button 0, so let me type into. Here I can enter my website. For now, I just want YouTube. We can have any website and this will automatically search it for us. And this list can extend to as long as we like.
Commands on.
NetEDU.
Please click on video.
Now I'll click on the last video I made.
Please enter button and hit enter.
Hi! In this tutorial,
I will just
be
download
showing
it,
you
so I
the
don't want the
power
whole
of
list.
Python.
Downloading video 1. Please click on video.
Now if I want to stop that, I'll just click on a video and choose Close Program.
Please enter button and hit enter.
Hi! In this tutorial,
Done. Commands on. Buttons on.
Download files. Oops. And we will also pay attention to see when the video is done downloading.
Commands on.
Type into. Here I enter the website. Now what should I enter? How about
Done downloading videos.
that video is done downloading. Let's first have a look at it. Here it is.
Hi! In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power.
Now I want to send. This is my video where we have the text message attribute. Now I want to go to www.protonmail.com. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Now just close this.
Done. Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. It's called NetEDU. Today is March 25th, 2020. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, have a look at my other videos. They might help you into programming in in Python, or help you with math. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.